vents, emblems, wheel spokes, door jambs. A detailing brush gets where nothing else can. I tested 7 brush sets from Amazon on the same dirty car to find which ones are actually worth keeping in your kit. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the HMPLL 10-piece auto car detailing brush set. This comprehensive kit includes 5 boar hair brushes, 3 wire brushes, and 2 air vent brushes. The variety covers interior, exterior, leather, wheels, and engine detailing needs. Boar hair bristles clean effectively without scratching delicate surfaces like leather. Wire brushes tackle stubborn grime and tight engine areas and wheel wells. The kit arrives organized in a carrying case for easy storage and organization. One downside is that the bristles shed minimally but require occasional cleaning to maintain softness. Still, the complete variety in one kit covers virtually every detailing scenario. For comprehensive brush coverage, HMPLL is an excellent choice. At number 2, we have the MVEQRRN 6-piece car detailing brush set. This kit combines 2 boar hair brushes with 2 ultra-soft air vent brushes and 2 additional detail brushes. The ultra-soft bristles prevent scratching leather seats during interior detailing work. Boar hair naturally resists bristle loss during regular use and cleaning. The brushes fit comfortably in your hand for extended detailing sessions without fatigue. Sizing ranges from small detail brushes to larger surface coverage brushes. The weakness is that the smaller review count means less user feedback available online. Still, the ultra-soft bristle technology makes it excellent for sensitive surfaces. For leather enthusiasts seeking soft brush protection, MVEQRRN is a premium choice. At number 3, we have the Premium Car Detailing Brush Set by Proper Detailing. This professional 3-pack uses soft boar hair bristles for scratch-free cleaning. The premium bristle selection appeals to detail-focused car enthusiasts and professional detailers. Each brush in the set targets specific surfaces like leather, wheels, air vents, and emblems. The ergonomic handles reduce hand strain during extended detailing sessions. The bristles maintain their shape and softness through numerous washing cycles. The limitation is that 3 brushes provide less variety than larger sets available. Still, the professional-grade bristle quality justifies the premium positioning. For professionals prioritizing bristle quality, Proper Detailing is an excellent choice. At number 4, we have the TTRCB 27-piece car detailing kit. This massive collection includes drill brush attachments for power tool users. Multiple brush sizes handle everything from tiny emblems to large panel surfaces. The variety includes wire, nylon, and natural bristle brushes for different surface types. Specialized wheel brushes reach into tight spaces between spokes and under lips. The kit design lets beginners and professionals find the exact brush needed for any task. The main limitation is that larger sets often include redundant brush types that go unused. Still, the sheer variety ensures you always have the right brush. For users wanting maximum brush variety, TTRCB is a comprehensive choice. Coming up next, we have the MVEQRRN Boars Hair Ultra Soft Detailing Brushes set. This premium 4-piece collection emphasizes natural boar hair, quality over quantity. Each brush receives individual selection for optimal bristle performance and longevity. The Ultra Soft rating makes this ideal for leather seats and painted surfaces. One included duster brush handles, air vents, and tight spaces with precision. The natural bristles resist shedding and maintain performance for years of use. The trade-off is that only 4 brushes limits the surface variety compared to larger sets. Still, the premium bristle quality makes each brush superior in performance. For quality-focused detailers, MVEQRRN is a premium choice. The last one on our list is the SPTA Car Detailing Brush Set. This 5-piece kit combines soft mixed hair bristles designed for various surface types. The mixed bristle composition balances gentleness for delicate surfaces with cleaning power. The brushes handle interior panels, exterior trim, emblems, wheels, and air vents. Soft bristles prevent scratching leather, paint, and plastic trim during regular use. The kit covers the most common detailing tasks without excessive redundancy. The limitation is that the mixed bristle approach sacrifices specialization for versatility. Still, the variety and soft bristle protection make it practical for most users. For general purpose detailing versatility, SPTA is a balanced choice. This covers the best detailing brush sets, ranked on Amazon for quality and performance. Your choice depends on whether you prefer specialized brushes or comprehensive variety in one set.